It's Sunday and I have to edit my vlog for Monday. Feel cute? Oh my god! Hi guys. It's been a while since I've vlogged. Literally, it's Sunday and I have to edit my vlog for Monday. So I have no footage, but today's kind of a fun day because my brother let me borrow his Nintendo Switch. We played Mario Party, Mario Kart, all that jazz. We're gonna go out to a game store to pick up some fun games, so come with us. I'm actually pretty excited about it. Yesterday we kind of just relaxed and played video games, which was like super fun. So let's do that. Let me show you guys my outfit of the day. I feel like I wear this outfit a lot with you guys. Dresses from above, shoes are Princess Polly. Feel cute? Let's go get some games. So the other day, went to Marshall's for actually the first time ever. I don't think I've ever shopped there. And I picked up cute little Halloween stuff. I just like love Halloween. So I'm gonna get some stuff from Amazon and I'm gonna do like a whole like Halloween haul type of thing. For now, I got this adorable pillow. It's actually so cute and I love it, and I kind of want to get another one, but I have a Halloween budget and I can only get one, but I want two, you know what I mean? But that's okay. I'm gonna get one and I'm gonna be okay with it. But look how cute it is. It's so adorable. And then I've got some things out that are literally just mine because I'm like witchy. It's cute. My little quartz little tree out vulture feather, which I felt vultures Halloweeny. I also have a crow feather. I feel like I should bring my crow feather out too. And I've got my bowl with sage on it because your girl needs to sage the house every once in a while. And I also have a candle out, but I feel like I need an autumn scented candle. And then two other things, and these are my favorite. Actually, I would say the pillow is my favorite, but this one's just so me. Skeleton man doing yoga and meditating. How cute. I got a witch's brew. Look at it. I'm obsessed. 3 items from Marshall's, and I've been scouting the internet for other Halloween type items, but everything is so expensive and everything I like is from Anthropology. So you can imagine that does not fit my budget, but that's okay. We're gonna do as much as we can.